This is the game changer you have been looking and waiting for. Believe me.
Struggling with visible hairlines in your toppers? Say goodbye to lace that needs trimming. I simply align the front, clip it in place, and done. The lace disappears into my skin without makeup or adhesives. Compared to a traditional lace topper, this one gives me a natural, smooth front, perfect even up close. No more worrying about wind or close conversations. I've been wearing toppers for years, and the front line was always a challenge. This close lace front gives me confidence like never before. It blends seamlessly into your natural hairline, just clip and go, so no cutting or gluing needed. The lace is pre-finished. Watch how easy this is to apply. It's lightweight, secure, and undetectable.
Ready to try it yourself? This close lace front is now available on UniWigs. Try it.